And that happened. What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. So in this video, again, as I always do, I'm gonna be teaching you how to set up some pranks on friends and family. Some are very mild, which anybody can do, and some take some prepping, but they are quite extreme, so prank at your own risk, guys. Before we get started though, let's make sure that you are subscribed to this channel with all notifications turned on. That way you guys don't miss out on future videos. Let's get these pranks going. Check it out. Alright, let's get started, guys. Where do I begin? I'm gonna take off my glasses for this because they get in the way. I'm gonna do this. Now we're good. Okay, so, no, I don't like that look. I'm gonna keep the shades on. Alright, so let's begin with our first prank. For this prank, you're gonna need a pencil cup. Now, the pencil cup has to have pencils, of course. Otherwise, it's just a cup, right? So, make sure it has some pencils, pens, and anything else in there. What we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna dump them all out. But we're gonna create a little stack. Grab them all at the same time with one hand. Then grab yourself the strongest possible tape that you have at home. So right here I have some duct tape, and I'm gonna use that to wrap around this stack of pencils. Alright, so I got my strip right here, and I'm just gonna wrap it around on the bottom. It should look a little something like this. Let's place it back in the cup. And that's it, guys. I know it's very simple, but it'll frustrate anybody that wants to get a pencil. They pull out all the pencils, and yeah, some will slide out, especially the center ones, but let's say they're trying to get one on the edge. For example, this pencil right here. They won't be able to look. It's really, really hard, actually. Oh, I broke it. But that's what happens, guys. I'm telling you, it's very, very frustrating to get a pencil. Try it out. You're gonna get somebody mad. Alright, guys, so what I have right here is one of my favorite pens. I use it a lot, actually, when I'm writing down my ideas. This pen is always there. But I'm gonna use it for this following prank. So this is a normal clicking pen. See? You click on it, the point comes out, and if you click on it, it retracts back inside. Everybody has seen one of these. The mechanism is basically made up of a spring. Another thing that I like about this pen is that you can actually unscrew the tip. But before you do that, make sure that the point is actually inside. You don't want it sticking out. You want it to retract inside. So once it's inside, guys, you're gonna twist the tip off, and that's it. Look, we're gonna set the pen aside because we're gonna work with the tip. At this point, you're gonna need some tape. With this tape, you're gonna get the smallest piece you can cut off, like this little square right here. You're gonna ball it up, and we're gonna jam it inside the tip, just like this, guys. So now that the tip is blocked off, we're gonna put the pen back on, so just simply screw it back on. And that's it, guys. The pen has been booby-trapped. Well, I wouldn't say booby-trapped. I would say that it's been tampered with, and somebody that wants to use it won't be able to. So next person could be your mom, your dad, or anybody in your household who wants to use this pen. They will click on it, and the point will not come out. It just won't come out, guys, and the reason why is because of the tape. All they gotta do is unscrew it and kind of dig in there to pull it out, or insert the pen backwards. And that's it, guys. See? It can easily be undone. All you gotta do is screw it back on, and their pen is okay. It's just a silly prank to get somebody mad again. For this prank, you're gonna need a clipboard. You can find these at school anywhere, guys. So if you happen to see one sitting around somewhere, prank it. And here's how you do that, guys. For example, this one right here. This one has a sheet of paper, so let's say one of your classmates left this on a table and they're not watching over it. So here's what you do, guys. Oh, one quick thing. It can't be one of these. So these won't work for this prank. These will, because the clip is bigger. Anyway, if you look inside the clip from the back, you can clearly see the sheet of paper. So we're gonna use that to our advantage. Since it's blocking our victim's view, we're gonna take a piece of tape. Now, the stronger the tape, the better, of course, but I'm just gonna use some regular tape here. This is clear tape, and what I'm gonna do is tape it down. So lift it up, put a piece of tape on it, and that's it. So normally somebody that wants to get their sheets that are on the clipboard, they would just lift it up and pull on it. But look, I'm trying to slide it out and I can't because of the tape. Now again, the stronger the tape is, the better. So it'll have more grip and it'll frustrate them even more because they're trying to pull it out and they can't see what's going on because of the clip. But if they see through the other end, they can clearly see the piece of tape. If they're smart enough, they'll figure this prank out and it doesn't take a lot to undo it. All they gotta do is peel off the tape. Now let's do something a little bit more extreme. Alright, for this prank we're gonna need some oats. Now oats are optional, you guys can use anything else. Maybe rice, small cereal, or any liquid of your choice. I'm gonna go with oats and I might just do a liquid demo as well for this prank. So again, you need oats, which I will be using for this example. A little cup, it doesn't have to be this small, but it's gotta be small enough that will fit inside a gooseneck lamp. Now I'm gonna be using this gooseneck lamp that I got from my room, and I'm sure there might be one in your household that you guys can use to set up this prank. First things first, we gotta prep this, and if there's a light bulb inside, we gotta remove it. So unscrew it off. Simple stuff, right? And now it's all hollow in there. The next step is to fill up this little cup with oats. So I'm gonna scoop up some oats. That's enough for me. Then we're gonna need some tape. So get yourself a strip of tape like this. This is where you gotta be careful, guys, because half of the tape is gonna stick to the bottom of the cup. So at this point, lay the cup down with the adhesive part facing up. We're gonna take the gooseneck lamp, guys, and we're gonna bend it because that's what they're for. They're very flexible. So bend it so it faces the table or wherever you're setting up this prank at. And here's the piece of tape, guys. So I'm just gonna stick this to the gooseneck lamp. That's it, guys. The booby trap has been set. So somebody comes over and lifts up this gooseneck lamp, then they'll be in for a messy surprise. Just watch. They'll try to pick it up and this happens. Oh, I went the easy route with this prank because I don't want to clean up, but I thought about it and I am gonna do a liquid demo for you guys. So let's fill up this cup with some liquid. And of course, I'm gonna go with Kool-Aid. The setup is pretty much the same. You put the tape on, facing up, sticking to the bottom of the cup. Take some water, add some in there. Just added some Kool-Aid on there, guys. Take my finger, swirl it, and that's it. We bring the gooseneck back in. We're gonna push the gooseneck lamp down, and then we're gonna stick it on. That's it. Let's see the demo once more. They lift it up. Oh! I just hate messes, guys. Why you guys gotta make me do all these messes? Oh, that's right. You guys love messy pranks. Here comes the cleaning crew. Another super extreme prank you guys can pull off at home is with a binder just like this one. Now, this binder won't act alone because its accomplice will be a balloon. Now, this balloon that I have right here is a twisty balloon. These are used to make balloon animals. We've all seen them, right? Well, we're gonna fill this up with some water. But I'm also gonna add some Kool-Aid just to give it a little color. So let me head over to the bathroom and fill up this balloon with water. Here it is, just as promised. I filled it up with water and a little bit of Kool-Aid powder just to give it color. Now, also notice, guys, that this balloon, I centered the water in the middle. That way, look at the neck of the balloon right here. It takes it a little bit of time to travel through. So that is perfect for this prank. We're gonna take our binder, open it up, and we're gonna insert our balloon inside with the tip barely sticking out. So it'll stick out just a little, as you guys can see right here. We're gonna close up the binder. It won't stay still, guys. We gotta add some weight on it, but luckily, I have my 50-pound dumbbell ready, and it's gonna help us out here. So try to get something heavy. So for example, here I'm using my dumbbell. Use whatever you have at home, guys. Even a hammer will do it. Place one end of the dumbbell on top of the balloon tip so it holds it in place, and just lay it on there, guys. Your family members will not see this coming, guys. The prank has been set. When they come over and they see the dumbbell on the table, on top of the binder, it's gonna look a little bit fishy, guys. Nobody wants to see a dumbbell on top of a table, so they're gonna pick it up. Now, you can be very mean and get somebody's binder with their work already in there, with paperwork that's very important to them, Or you guys can play it safe and just use an empty binder so nobody gets hurt and nobody will cry at the end of this prank. So here's the demo, guys. I'm just walking by and I see this. I better take down the dumbbell. It can fall on somebody's foot. I'm gonna grab it. And that happened. Oh. It took a couple seconds actually for it to set off. But when it did, you guys saw what happened. I had to put my hand in front of it because I didn't want my walls splattered with Kool-Aid. It's not easy cleaning up white walls, guys, especially if it's red fruit punch Kool-Aid. So if you're gonna be super mean, try this prank out. It'll definitely get somebody, just like it got me. There you have it, guys. Simple pranks that you guys can do on friends and family, especially with April Fool's coming up soon, guys. You want to get ready for that. So some of these pranks will definitely come in handy. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like. Thank you guys so much for the amazing support. I'll see you guys in my next video.